In this session, we will see how the machine learning models created by you can be saved and can be used in the third-party application or different programs. So continuing with the last example where we discussed IMDb review using NLP, in this we are adding one more cell at the bottom where I'm calling the functions to save the models. So this few lines of code will allow you to save your model, which is being saved in H5 format, and this can be later used by your program. It may be in Python or any other language. So once you will run this cell, you will be able to see two files here. I'm running it from Google Colab, so you can see the files from the left pane, and then you can download these two files by clicking on download. Remember that you will need to download both the files for the proper functioning. After downloading the files, I have saved them in my folder called My Models, where I have H5 and JSON file, and then I have created a small demo file in the Python, and I have used Spider for this. So again, I'm importing some basic libraries and prerequisites, and then I'm calling the different function. First, I am loading the IMDb review model.json file, and then finally I am loading the model.h5 file. And then the same logic which we used in the last cell, this is the same logic which we have used. I'm keeping the same logic in the spider, and then once I run this, it will wait for my input and I have to provide the input. So I'm taking the positive sentence which we have used in the last session, and as I provide the input, it will call the model and it will show me the result. This is the way how you can download the models created by you. The model is already trained and tested with some accuracy, so it is ready to use and it can be deployed in any environment as per your requirement. You can apply the GUI and you can use some GUI related libraries to create the better interface, or you can use that in the console based applications. So as and when required, you can use the trained model directly for your application, and this saves your time because once the model is trained, you don't need to train it again and again to see the output. So this will help you in saving, loading and deploying your models in different applications.